today we're going to look at how to use a number rack, which this is a double number rack, to do some basic addition within 20. To begin, just to show you the parts of a number rack, we like to start with our beads on the left and move them to the right. The structure of the number rack is there's 10 on each row, and they're color-coded in groups of 5 because we want our kids to be able to anchor to 5, but also anchor to the 10s. So we want them to be able to say 5, 10, 15, 20, or 10, 20. So that's why the number rack is structured that way. They're really good for practicing fluency within 20. So for example, if your child had 7 plus 6, you can do this a couple of ways. You might have your child find 7 at the top. Some may count by ones. That's okay. We would love for them to at least be able to go 5, 6, 7 and move the rest out of the way. Kids who really are able to anchor to 10 will know that 7 is only 3 away from 10 and can just move the 3 over. And they're subitizing or seeing instantly the 7. So we want 7 at the top, and then we want to find 6 at the bottom. So again, 5, 6, and move the rest out of the way. Now we want kids to be able to add 7 plus 6. Well, the way this is structured, seeing 5 white beads and 5 white beads, kids should immediately be able to go, oh, 5 and 5 is 10, and there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So counting on from the 10. We really want to stay away from having to start at the top and count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's showing signs that we really haven't developed our cardinality, being able to count one time and know this is 7. We haven't developed our counting on, being able to say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we haven't anchored to 10 to be able to say 5, 10, and then count on 11, 12, 13. So that's just the basics of how to use a number rack. Let's try one more. So let's try 4 plus 8. So again, we would ask our child to find 4 at the top. Many will know 4 is, there's only 1 white left over, and be able to move all those beads out of the way. Some may have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Find 8 at the bottom. Now where it's a little bit trickier because we don't have 5 and 5, some kids may have to count all, starting from 1. If they count on, we want them not to start from 4, but we want them to be able to start from 8. So we want them to be able to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. And that's the basics of a number rack.